The people of my tribe are born once, but I have to go through the experience twice. For the first time, when my mother gave me the birth, and the second one, when I became a poet. But each time I became fuel for the furnace of war. My tribe celebrated both of the events. I am the only epic writer of my own tribe. I make the daring deeds of my tribe eternal, and work as the custodian of honor. People feel gratified, attributing their daughters to me. When the war is in its full swing, I stand forefront. My feet of flesh become the feet of lead when I think of flight. And when I see in front the warriors being beheaded, the stuff for a new poem begins to stack in my mind. My epic, which are equally popular among my friends and foes, flare up more the fire of war. My brave do not avert their faces from death, though they see in front the blood-coated battlefield. They have faith that they after their death will remain alive forever in my verses. The leaping flames of war also begin to singe my skin. I, defending honor of my tribe, shall die too, to live forever behind